guys, welcome once again to my channel. It's your girl Oliviabosschickaddo. To my returning subscribers, you the real OG. Yay, yay, ay, 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 ay. Thank you for subscribing, and to those who are new here, I am Oliviabosschickaddo. Welcome, and I'm giving you I'm telling you, you're going to have fun with me, so you're welcome. If you're new on here, you can don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, who kept hair like me, and maybe you want to go out and something urgent just came up and you need to step out and you can't carry your hair like that. This is the drill, guys. This is it. So guys, if you want to see how I did that, do keep watching.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, so the next step, you can decide to use any kind of hair you want to use, but for me, I'm going in with this hair. It's an old hair, and I think the product is classic. It's not actually human hair, and it has like 3 bundles. So I'm just going to go in with this one. You can decide to use any hair you see available in your house that can work for you, but for me, I'm working with this one. What you just do is fold this into 4, pick hair out. I'm just going to show you one, then the rest I will fast forward. Pick hair out, and what we want to do is tie this hair around this part, and this is how we go. You place it here first. Let me come closer. Moving to the back. To the back, this is how it is. You cross, make sure it is well aligned. Then you come to the front and cross again. We are not going to tie, you just release it. And that's just basically it. So I'm going to do the rest of the bundles the same way I did this one.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on